Now let us see, our next topic is linear differential equation here. Okay, so what is a linear differential equation here? What is linear differential equation? An equation which is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q form. Okay, dy by dx plus py is equals to q. What is this p and q here? P and q are the functions of x here. P and q are the functions of x here. So what is the differential equation? What is the linear differential equation here? An equation which is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Okay, what is this p and q? P and q are nothing but the functions of x here. So how we are going to solve this linear differential equation, right? So let us see the procedure now. So here, first of all, the given equation will be in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q here. Okay, so whatever the equation will be given to you, first you need to reduce the equation into the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q. So let me to take it as equation 1. So after that, you need to take what are the p terms and what are the q terms here. Okay, so after taking p and q terms here, so what is the integration factor you need to take here? You need to take the integration factor as e power integration p into dx here. Okay, so after taking the integration factor, we will be solving the general solution by taking the formula, which is y into integration factor is equals to integration of q into integration factor into dx plus c here. Okay, so this is the procedure of solving the linear differential equation. Once again, I'm repeating here. So what is it? Once again, I'm repeating. Yes. So the equation which is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q is said to be a linear differential equation. So how to solve this linear differential equation means the procedure comes in this way. So what is it here? First, from the given equation, we need to reduce the equation to the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q form. After that, we need to take what are the p terms and what are the q terms. After taking p and q terms, you need to go for the integration factor. So what is the integration factor here? Integration factor is e power integral p into dx. Okay, so after taking the integration factor, you need to go for the general solution. What is the formula for the general solution here? Which is y into integration factor is equals to integration of q into integration factor into dx plus c. Okay, now let us see one problem for this linear differential equation now. Let me to take this one. Okay, so it was given to me in this way here. So solve x square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 4xy is equals to 1 by x square plus 1. So what is the problem it was given to me? It was given to me as solve x square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 4xy is equals to 1 by x square plus 1. So what should I do here? I need to, what should I do here? Okay, wait. Okay, what should I do here? Anyone? Is the equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q form? Is it in that way? ఏంటి ఎవరికి మాట్లాడడానికి రావట్లేదా? మైక్స్ పనిచేయట్లేదా? Nana, until and unless you people won't answer me, I won't start it. I'm telling you seriously. Yes, Vansh. So you have to divide it by the x square plus 1 on both sides. Yes. So what is it here? So since it is not in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q form. Okay. So what I have to do here? I have to. Okay. So since it is not in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q form, so what should I do here? I need to divide the whole equation. I need to divide with x square plus 1 on both sides. Okay. So what is it here? When I'm dividing it with x square plus 1, so I will be getting the equation in the form of dy by dx plus 4x by x square plus 1 into y is equals to 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 1. I will be getting here x square plus 1 whole square. So let me to take it as equation 1. Okay. Now equation 1 is in the form of, it is in the form of linear differential equation, which is dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Okay. Now, so what is p and what is q here? P is nothing but 4x by x square plus 1. And what is q here? 1 by x square plus 1 whole square, right? So after taking p and q terms, what is the next thing you need to do here? You need to go for the step of integration factor. So what is integration factor here? Integration factor is e power integral p into dx now. So which is e power integral 4x by x square plus 1 into dx. So this is in the form of f dash of x by f of x form, right? Is it in the form of integration of f dash of x by f of x form? F dash of x by f of x form means what here? Which is log of x square, log of f of x here, right? So what is that we need to do here? So since it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x form, otherwise you can go for this step. So take x square plus 1 is equals to t here. Okay. So differentiate it on both sides. So which will be 2x into dx will be equal to dt. Okay. So what is it here? E power integration 2 into dt. 2 into, because 2x into dx is nothing but dt here. So one more 2 will be there. So which is, I can write it as 2 into dt by t here. Okay. So what is integration here? So you can write it as e power 2 integration of dt by t. So which is e power 2 log t. Okay. So what is t here? T we have taken it as x squared plus 1. So you can go for 2 log x squared plus 1 here. Okay. So you can write it in the form of e power log of x squared plus 1 whole square. So here e and log will be getting cancelled and you will be having here x squared plus 1 whole square. Okay. So what is the integration factor you got here? Integration factor is x squared plus 1 whole square. Okay. So after getting the integration factor, what is the general solution formula we need to use? What is it? General solution is y into integration factor is equals to integration of q into integration factor into dx plus c. Okay. So go for it. So y into integration factor is x squared plus 1 whole square is equals to, what is the q here? What is q we got here? 1 by x squared plus 1 whole square. So 1 by x squared plus 1 whole square into integration factor is x squared plus 1 whole square into dx plus c. Okay. So what is it here? X squared plus 1, x squared plus 1 will be getting cancelled and you will be getting here as, what is it? Y into x square plus 1 whole square is equals to integration of 1 into dx plus c. Okay. So y into x square plus 1 whole square, integration of dx is x here. So x plus c. Okay. So you can write here y into x square plus 1 whole square minus x is equals to c. So this is the solution of the given equation, given linear differential equation here. Okay. So in this way you need to solve the linear differential equation here. Did you got it, beta? Did you got it? Shall I go with one more problem? Will you people answer? Linear differential equation compulsory question, Nana. Without linear differential equation, there is no question paper at all. Okay, now I will take one problem here. Now you people are supposed to answer me. Okay, now let us take here. I'm taking a problem. Solve dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to e power minus x square. Solve dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to e power minus x square. Now tell me how I need to solve this. Tushar, Vamshi, మిగతా వాళ్ళంతా సాయిరామ్ మీరంతా మైక్ ఆన్ చేసుకొని మాట్లాడాలి, మాట్లాడకపోతే ఊరుకునేది లేదు చెప్తున్నారు. Everyone, the people can answer me. రివిజన్ క్లాస్ ఎప్పుడు వన్ సైడ్ ఉండదు నాన్న, ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఇంటరాక్టివ్. అక్షయ, శ్రీజ, what should I do now? What is the next step of solving the linear differential equation now? ధనశ్రీ, where is Juveria? ధనశ్రీ, మీరంతా మాట్లాడొచ్చు కదా, ఏమైంది? What you people are doing there? You people are having a chatting option also, beta. At least use that one. మాట్లాడడానికి సిగ్గుపడితే అట్లీస్ట్ చాటింగ్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది బెట. నేను ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తున్నంత వరకు మీకు బానే ఉంటుంది. General solution for which one, beta? One. Okay, whatever the problem we have done for that, you okay, ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమ్ కి చెప్తున్నావా? Okay. Nana, if you people behave in such a way when you are coming to the offline classes, I'm telling you seriously, ఒక ఆట ఆడుకుంటాను చెప్తున్నా ఒక్కొక్కరితో. You people are going to come for the practical examination, right? చలో రండి, మీకు మీ పని చేస్తాను నేను అసలు. Tushar, are you there? Tushar? Chalo, give the answer. What is that here? Is the equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q? Yes, right? So equation 1 is in the form of, it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q form, right? So what is P and what is Q here now? Tell me fastly. What is P? Yes, P is 2x. And what is Q? Q is e power minus x square. So what is the integration factor now? Integration factor is e power integral P into dx. So what is it? E power integral 2 into x into dx. So integration of 2x, what is it here? E power 2 into integration of x will be here x square by 2. So 2 will be getting cancelled, and what is the integration factor you will get? Which is e power x square. So you got integration factor as e power x square here. So after getting the integration factor, what you are supposed to do here now? So you need to go for the general solution. So what is the general solution formula here? Y into integration factor is equals to integration of q into integration factor whole into dx plus c. Okay, so go for the formula now. So what is it? So y into integration factor is e power x square is equals to integration. What is the q here? E power minus x square into integration factor is e power x square into dx plus c. So what is it here? Y into e power x square is equals to, when the bases are equal, we need to add the powers. So minus and plus, it will be cancelled. So e power 0 is nothing but 1. So integration of 1 into dx plus c. So what is it here? Y into e power x square is equals to x plus c. So finally, what is the solution here? Y into e power x square minus x is equals to, so c. This is the general solution of the linear differential equation now. Okay, now I will give you two more questions here. Okay, so solve these two questions in the linear differential equation. Chalo, note down these two questions which are not there in your notes, I think so. Okay, chalo, note down these two questions in the linear differential equation and solve it. Chalo, note down this one. That's right. X log x, solve x log x into dy by dx plus y is equals to 2 log x. Solve x log x into dy by dx plus y is equals to 2 log x. And one more problem here. Okay, go for this. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to cos x. Okay, 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to cos x. Okay, so do these two problems in linear differential equation. Got it? చేద్దామా ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారా మీరు? Until and unless you people won't answer, I won't do anything. I'm telling you seriously. Are you people ready to answer me? Shall we solve those now? Okay, practice those problems, whatever the 5 problems I have sent in WhatsApp, and now whatever the problems I have given for linear differential equation. Okay, so 5 plus e2 7 problems నాకు చేసి మీరు పంపించాలి. Okay, so మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది. As the in the same way you are going to see the method, how to solve the method. Okay, you're going to learn the method of solving it. Okay, and tomorrow I'll go with 3 theorems, 1 by mx plus n by theorem, 1 by mx minus my theorem and linear differential equation theorem. Okay, so tomorrow it is very important, so each and everyone are supposed to attend. నానా మీరు ఇలా కామ్ గా బుద్ధ విగ్రహాల్లా కూర్చునేటట్టయితే అనవసరంగా వేస్ట్ కదా మరి. only for the sake of attendance if you are attending here, right? So each and everyone are very fur in typing. మనం ఏదైనా మెసేజ్ పెట్టాలంటే టకా టకా పెట్టేస్తాము. మరి ఇక్కడ కనీసం మనం చాటింగ్ రావట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ చాట్ బాక్స్ లో మనం టైపింగ్ రావట్లేదు, అట్లీస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చేయడం రావట్లేదు. హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్? దిస్ ఇస్ రివిజన్ క్లాస్, నాట్ ఏదో ఒక చిన్న వన్ సైడెడ్ అది కాదు కదా. రివిజన్ క్లాస్ అంటే ఇట్ షుడ్ బి కంప్లీట్లీ ఇంటరాక్టివ్ క్లాస్ సెషన్. నేను రేపటి నుంచి వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ చేయను నాన్న, మీకు బాగా ఎక్కువైపోతుంది. సో వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ చేసేసరికి ఎప్పుడు పడితే అప్పుడు చూసుకోవచ్చు అని చెప్పి కూర్చుంటున్నారు. గుడ్ వన్. మీరు ఇలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తే మాత్రం నేనైతే క్లాసెస్ తీసుకున్నాను. నా క్లాస్లో ఇంటరాక్టివ్ లేకపోతే మాత్రం నేనైతే ఊరుకోను. ఐమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ సీరియస్లీ. ఐ విల్ సీ ఫర్ టుమారో క్లాస్. ఓకే, సో రేపు మీరు ఇంటరాక్టివ్ గా లేకపోతే మాత్రం నేనైతే ఊరుకోను. ఐమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ సీరియస్లీ. I thought of completing the revision for the 3 units, at least for 3 units completely. If I go for the revision class, it will be helpful for you. Chalo, best fellows. Chalo, Ellen.